Dear second prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Algebra Unit 1, Lesson 1. The lesson is called Factorizing Trinomial in form x power of 2 plus bx plus c. Inshallah, we have today the first lesson in the second term of the second prep. Inshallah, it will be a very important topic in this term. Inshallah, we have two units. The first unit mainly depend on the factorization, and the second term, the second unit depend on the powers. Okay, the factorization in this lesson, inshallah, we are going to remember the trinomial and how can we factorize this trinomial. Okay, the trinomial is the expression formed from three terms, and we are going to learn how can we identify the common factor. Let's start the lesson. First, we need to remember how can we expand two brackets like this. Okay, when we have x power x minus 4, this one called binomial, and x minus 3 called binomial. We have studied already in the first prep how can we expand these two brackets. Okay, first we need to remember their names. X is called the first term and minus 4 is called the second term. And here also x is called the first term and the negative 3 is called the second term. Okay, we are going to expand this expression by using the following rule. First, we are going to multiply first times first. First times first, x times x equal x power of 2. And we are going to multiply second by second, second times second, as we see, negative 4 times negative 3 equal positive 12. Finally, we have a middle term here. Okay, it is equal the sum of means plus the extremes. Remember with me what is the means and what are the extremes. The means are the inner numbers, negative 4 and x are the means. The extremes are the outer numbers, x and negative 3. Now we are going to multiply the means. Negative 4 times x equal negative 4x. Now I'm going to multiply the extremes. X times negative 3 equal negative 3x. And then I'm going to add negative 4x plus 3x plus negative 3x to get the middle term here, which is equal negative 7x. Okay, by looking carefully to what happened. Here I have x minus 4 binomial times x minus 3 another binomial. The result is x power of 2 minus 7x plus 12. This is what called trinomial. Trinomial means three terms. Okay, what is the factorization? The factorization means that I'm going to change the sum into product. Okay, so I'm going to reverse the operation. In this term, inshallah, he will give me this expression and I'm going to change it into product of two brackets or more. Again, to factorize this one, I'm going to reverse the operation and change it into product of two brackets like this. Of course, I need this rule in this term, inshallah. We use this rule to complete the missing terms. Okay, now let's learn what the meaning of the factorization in the next slide. Now I'm going to factorize to teach you how to factorize trinomial. For example, if he gave me x power of 2 plus 7x plus 12 like this, and he asked me to factorize this expression. As I taught you before in the last slide, that the trinomial, its original was two brackets or two binomials. So first I'm going to open two brackets like this. Okay, this bracket times this bracket equals this expression. Okay, the second step, I'm going to distribute x power of 2. X power of 2 equal x times x. What if I have x power 4? If I have x power 4, it is x power of 2 times x power of 2. What if I have x power 6? 6, it will be x power 3 and x power 3 and so on. Okay, this is the first step. The second step, the sign. Okay, the sign depend on this sign. Okay, here I have this sign is a positive. Okay, if this sign is positive, so you will distribute the middle sign in both brackets like this. Okay, again, if this sign is positive, so you will distribute this sign into the two brackets. Okay, for example, if we have here negative, so the two brackets will be negative and negative. Okay, the sign here depend on this sign because this is a positive. Okay, the next step, I'm going to factorize 12. What does it mean, Mr. Ahmed? Factorize 12, change 12 into product. Okay, like this. 12 divided by 1 equal 12. So 12 equal 1 times 12. And also 12 divided by 2 equal 6. So 12 equal 2 times 6. 12 divided 3 equal 4. So 12 equal 3 times 4 and so on. But I'm going to stop here because 12 divided by 4 equals 3 and I'm going to repeat. So I will stop here. Okay. After that, I need to find two numbers here and here. Okay. The two numbers or the two factors depend also on this sign. If this sign is positive, so I need two numbers. Their sum equal 7. Again, if this sign is positive, so I need two numbers. Their sum equal 7. The sum of the two factors is 7. Okay, the factors are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. What two factors, their sum is 7? Yes, it's 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are 7. Finally, I'm going to write 3 and 4 here and here with any order like this. Okay, another example. If I have x power of 2 minus 7x plus 12. Okay, first you are going to open two brackets. Okay, second you are going to distribute x here and here. This sign is positive, so I'm going to distribute the middle sign here and here. Okay, like this. Okay, 12 equal 12 divided by 1, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. I need two numbers. Their sum is 7. Again, two numbers. Their sum is 7. They are 3 and 4. So I'm going to write 3 and 4 here and here like this with any order. This is the first case of the factorizing trinomial if this sign is positive. Next, inshallah, I'm going to explain what will happen if this sign is negative. This sign is negative. Okay. Also factorizing trinomial. For example, x power of 2 plus 4x minus 12. As I told you before that, I'm going to teach you how can we factorize with the negative sign. Okay, first we are going to open two brackets, distribute x power of 2 here and here, x of x, and if this sign is negative, so I'm going to write here and here two different signs. Again, I'm going to write two different signs, positive and negative, or negative and positive, as you like. Okay, like this. I'm going to write positive and negative. It's up to you. Write positive then negative, or negative first and positive second. It's up to you. Okay. Now I'm going to distribute to factorize 12. Okay, 12 divided by 1, 12, divided 2, 6, divided 3, 4, divided 4 equals 3. So I'm going to repeat. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, I need what? I need two numbers, their difference is 4. Again, two numbers, their difference is 4. Okay, here the factors are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay, which two factors the difference between them is 4? Yes, it's 2 and 6, because 6 minus 2 equal 4. Okay, now I have issue here. I have to write, here I have two different factors, 2 and 6. Okay, I'm going to write the bigger one with the sign of the middle. What does it mean, Mr. Ahmed? The sign of the middle is positive. Okay, so this sign will take the bigger factor. The bigger factor is 6, so I'm going to write 6 here and 2 here. Again, this, the sign of the middle sign, go to the middle, to the bigger factor. The bigger factor here is 6. Okay, another example. X power of 2 minus 4x minus 12. I'm going to open two brackets, x and x. The sign here is negative, so I'm going to write two different signs, negative or positive, or positive negative. It's up to you. I'm going to write positive negative. Okay, factorize the 12. 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. I need two numbers. The sum of them, the difference of them is 4. Yes, they are 2 and 6. But now I'm going to send 6 to the sign of the middle. The sign of the middle negative, and this is the negative, looks like the sign of the middle. So I'm going to write 6 here and 2 here like this. Finally, okay, everything depends on this sign. If this sign is positive, so you are going to send the middle sign in both brackets. If, okay, this is the second case, if this sign is negative, so you are going to send the middle sign to the greater factor. Okay, now let's solve the next questions. The first question with us is also to factorize. Okay, here he asked me factorize number 1, factorize x power of 2 plus 8x plus 15. Okay, first I'm going to open two brackets like this, and x power of 2 here and here. Okay, now 15 equal 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. If you don't know this case, this way you can make this as I will. 15 divided by 1 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. So the factors are 1, 15, 3 and 5. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, this is the first step. The second step, the sign here is positive, so I'm going to send the middle sign here and here. So here I have plus, and here also I have plus. Okay, because this sign is plus, so I'm going to choose the sum equal 8. This is 8. The sum equal 8. The sum equal 8, 3 and 5, their sum equal 8. Okay, I'm going, because the two signs are like, so I'm going to write 3 and 5 with any order. So I'm going to write 3 here and 5 here, it's okay. Or you can write 5 here and 3 here, it's also okay. Another example. X power of 2 minus 17x plus 30. Okay, here I have two brackets. Distribute x power of 2, x and x. Here the sign is positive, so I'm going to repeat the middle sign, negative, negative. Okay, now I'm going to factorize 30. 30 divided 1 equal 30. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. 30 divided by 4 equal decimal. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. And I'm going to stop here because next I have 5 times 6. So I'm going to repeat. So I'm going to stop here. I need the sum equal 17. Why, Mr. Sum? Because I have plus here and I have 17 here. The sum equals 17. 17, yes, it's 15 and 2. Okay, so I'm going to write 2 here and 15 here. The next one. Here I have x power of 2 plus 5x plus 6y power of 2. Okay, now I'm going to open two brackets like this, x and x. Okay, because this sign is positive, so I'm going to repeat the middle sign, plus plus. Okay, 20 here and here. Okay, now 6 equal 1 times 6, because 6 divided by 1 equals 6, and 2 times 3. I need the sum equal 5. The sum equal 5, so it is 2 and 3. But here I have y power of 2. So I'm going to distribute y power of 2 here and here. Another one. B power of 2 plus 3bc minus 10c power of 2. So I'm going to open two brackets, b and b. Okay, the sign here is positive, negative. So I'm going to write the middle sign here. The two signs are different, plus and minus, or minus and plus. It's up to you. Okay, 10 equals 1 times 10 or 2 times 5. Again, 10 equals 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. But now I need two numbers. The difference between them equal 3. The difference, because this is minus, the difference equals 3. What two numbers? Their difference equals 3. Yes, they are 2 and 5. Okay, the middle sign is positive. Okay, so I'm going to write the bigger factor here and the smaller factor here. Here's the bigger, because the bigger always with the sign of the middle. Okay, another example. X power of 2 minus 5x minus 24. Okay, first I'm going to open two brackets and distribute x and x. Okay, and 24. Okay, here I have negative sign, so I'm going to write two different signs. Okay, negative and positive, or positive and negative. It's up to you. 24 equal 1 times 24. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 24 divided 5 decimal. 24 divided 6 equals 4. So I'm going to stop here. I need two numbers. The difference between them equals 5. Okay, the difference between them equals 5. So I'm going to choose 3 and 8. Okay, 8 is a bigger factor, so it will go to the middle sign. Okay, here this is negative, and this is looks like the middle sign. So the big is here and the small is here. Because I have here y power of 2, so I'm going to write y and y. So the two brackets are x minus 8y and x plus 3y. Another example, if I have 22a minus 75 plus a power of 2, and I'm going to stop here. Okay, here I have a different situation. A and the negative 75 and the a power of 2. The letters must be in descending order. Must be ordered in descending order. Okay, so I need to start with the greater power, okay, and go descending. Okay, here a power of 2 is a greater power, so I'm going to start to rearrange the expression. A power of 2. Okay, the next power is 22a power 1. It is positive, so I'm going to write plus 22a. And finally, negative 75. So, you have to, okay, to watch the order. Okay, the order here was correct because I had here x power of 2 and x, and here I haven't x, so it was in order according to x. Here the order was wrong because I have a power 1 and I haven't a here, and here I have a power of 2, so I have to rearrange the expression in the descending order according to the powers. Okay, this is the first step. The second step, as usual, open two brackets, distribute a power of 2, it will be a and a. Okay, 75, here this is negative, so I'm going to distribute to write two different signs, plus minus or minus plus, it's up to you. 75 divided by 1 equals 75, divided by 2 equal decimal, divided by 3 equal 25, divided by 4 decimal, divided by 5 equal 15, and all numbers after that will be decimal. Okay, I need two numbers. The difference between them equal 22. Because I have minus and 22. The difference equal 22, so I'm going to choose 3 and 25. Okay, 25 is the bigger factor, so it will be with the middle sign. The middle sign is here. So here the 25 and here 3. Okay, because I haven't letter here, so this is the final form. Okay. Now another case. Here a power 4 and a power of 2, and here I haven't a. The order of a is correct, so I'm going to keep the order, okay, and I'm going to factorize like this. A power 4, it will be a power of 2 and a power of 2, okay, and here I have difference, so I will write two different signs, plus and the minus, or minus and the plus, it's up to you. 56 divided by 1 equal 56. 56 divided by 2 equal 28. 56 divided by 3 decimal, divided by 4 equals 14. Divided by 5 decimal, divided by 6 decimal, divided by 7 equal 8, and I'm going to stop here. Okay, I need two factors. The difference between them equal what? The difference equal what? Here I haven't any coefficients, so the coefficient here is 1. So the difference equal 1. Okay, which two factors? The difference between them is 1. Yes, they are 7 and 8. I'm going to write 8 with the middle of the middle sign. The middle sign is plus, so I'm going to write 8 here and 7 here. Don't forget b power of 4, so I'm going to write b power of 2 here and b power of 2 here. Okay, the expression will be like this. Okay, L power of 6 minus L power of 3 minus 40. Here I have L power of 6, 3, and no L here. So it is in descending order, so the order here is correct. So I'm going to factorize directly. L power 3 and L power 3. Okay, negative, so I'm going to write two different signs, negative and positive, or positive and negative, it's up to you. Okay, 40 divided by 1 equal 40, divided by 2 equal 20, divided by 3, sorry, it's decimal, divided by 4 equal 10, divided by 5 equal 8, divided by 7 and 6 decimal. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I need the difference equal 6. So I'm going to choose two factors. The difference between them is 6. Yes, they are 4 and 10. I'm going to write 10 because this is the bigger one with the middle sign. The middle sign negative, so this is the negative, so I have here 10 and here I have 4. Okay, now let's study or remember the HCF. The HCF is the abbreviation of highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, remember with me what is the highest common factor. For example, if I have here 3x power of 3 minus 21x power of 2 and plus 12x. By looking carefully to the three numbers, 3, 21 and 12, they are in table 3. And x power of 3, x power of 2 and x power of 1, I'm going to choose, because x here is common in the three terms, so I'm going to choose the smaller factor. Again, the smaller factor. Which one is the smaller power? The smaller power is x power, okay, because this is x power 1, so I'm going to choose x. So here the common factor is 3x. Okay, the second step, I'm going to open two brackets like this, and I'm going to divide the three factors by 3x. 3 divided by 3, let me change the color. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, so I don't write 1. X power of 3 divided x, I'm going to subtract the powers. 3 minus 1 equal 2, so it is x power 2. Negative 21 divided by 3 equal negative 7, and x, okay, and the x power of 2 minus x power 1 equal x power 1. 12 divided by 3 equal 4, and the x over x cancelled. It is x power of 0. Now I had a factorize by take out HCF. This is what we took in the first prep, so I am reminding you what we took in the first prep now. Okay, another example, this also revision. Here I have 10, 20 and 15 there in table 5. Again, 10, 20, 15 in table 5. Y power of 2, y power of 2, y power of 2, so y power of 2 is a common factor. X power 4, x power 3, x power of 2, the smallest x is x power of 2. Finally, the common factor is 5 and y power of 2 and x power of 2. The second step, I'm going to open two brackets like this, and then I'm going to divide all of them by 5 y power of 2 x power of 2 like this, and 10 divided by 5 2, okay, y power of 2 over y power of 2 cancelled, x power 4 over x power of 2 equal x power of 2. Okay, here negative 20 over 5 equal negative 4, y power of 2 and y power of 2 cancelled, x power of 3 over x power of 2 equal x power 1 because 3 minus 2 1. Negative 15 divided by 5 equal negative 3, and y power of 2 over y power of 2 cancelled, x power of 2 over x power of 2 cancelled. Now, Okay, this is a very important concept, is the highest common factor. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Factorize those two expressions. Okay, number 1, 5x power of 2 minus 10x minus 15. By looking carefully to 5 and 10 and 15, they're in table 5. So I'm going to write 5. By looking carefully to the letters, x power of 2, x, and here I haven't x, so I have common factor 5 only. Okay, like this. Open brackets. And I'm going to divide all of them divided 5. 5 divided by 5, 1, and I don't write 1. X power of 2 drop down. Negative 10 divided by 5 equal negative 2. X drop down. Negative 15 divided by 5 equals negative 3. Now I'm going to factorize this expression. I'm going to open two brackets as usual. And don't forget to drop down 5 here outside the two brackets. X power of 2 will be x and x, and the sign, because I have here negative, so I'm going to write two different sign, negative or positive, negative positive or positive negative. 3 equal divided by 1 equal 3. Okay. I need two numbers. The difference between them equals 2. Okay, so I'm going to choose, I have only 1 and 3. Okay, because they are different signs, so I'm going to write 3 with the sign of the middle. Okay, so 3 is here and 1 is here. Another example, 3x power of 2 minus 42 minus 15x. By looking carefully, I have here x power of 2 and here no x and here x, so I need to arrange them so in the powers in descending order. So the first term will be 3x power of 2, the middle term negative 15x, the third term negative 42. Look, okay, to the expression now, it is in order, okay, in descending order. X power of 2, x power 1, and x power 0. Here there is x power 0, but I don't write x power 0. Okay, now I'm going to look at the numbers 3, 15, and 42. They're in table 3. Okay, and the letters, I haven't a common letter in all of them, so I have only common factor 3. So I'm going to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. I don't write 1. And I'm going to write x power of 2. Negative 15 divided by 3 equals negative 5. And drop x. Negative 42 divided by 3 equals negative 14. So I'm going to open two brackets. And write down 3 outside the brackets. X power of 2 will be x and x. 14, okay, divided by 1 equals 14, divided by 2 equals 7, divided by 3 decimal, and so on. I need 2, because this is negative, I will write negative and positive. I need two numbers. The difference between them equal, yes, 5. Okay, the difference equal 5 there, 2 and 7. So I'm going to write 7 with the middle sign. The middle sign is here. So 7 here and 2 here. Okay. Okay, now number 3. By looking carefully to the first one, I have negative outside. Okay, it's a big mistake to factorize and you have negative, the first term is negative. Okay, so I'm going to do what? I'm going to make this negative as a common factor, like this, negative and open bracket. Okay, negative over negative is positive. So I'm going to write x power of 2, but it will be positive. Positive 2 divided by negative equal negative 2x. Positive 63 divided by negative equal negative 63. Okay? This is the first step. The second step, I'm going to write the negative outside like this and open two brackets as usual. X power of 2 will be xx. Because this sign is negative, so I need two different signs. So negative positive or positive negative. Okay? As usual, I'm going. I prefer to write the middle sign in the first bracket. Okay, 63 divided by 1 equals 63. 63 divided by 2 equal decimal. 63 divided by 3 equal 21. Divided by 4 decimal. Divided by 5 decimal. Divided by 6 decimal. Divided by 7 equals 9. Okay, and I'm going to stop now. I need two numbers. The difference between them, because this is minus, equal 2. The difference equal 2, so I'm going to choose 7 and 9. Don't forget, I'm going to write 9 with the middle sign. 9, the big factor with the middle sign. So I'm going to write 9 here and 7 here because this is the middle sign. Okay, another one. A power of 2 b power of 2 minus 24a b power of 2 plus 143 b power of 2. Okay, here I have b power of 2 common. So I'm going to start with b power of 2. A is not common. See, it is in the first, in the second, but it is not in the third. So I just have common factor b power of 2. The numbers are not common because I haven't a number here. Okay, b power of 2 over b power of 2 cancelled. So I'm going to write a power of 2 only. Negative 24. A drop down, b power of 2 over b power of 2 cancelled, plus 143, b power of 2 over b power of 2 cancelled. Now I'm going to open two brackets, drop b power of 2, a power of 2 will be a times a, 143 divided by 1 equal 143, divided by 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 until 11 equal decimal. 143 divided by 11 equals 13. Okay, now because I have here plus, so I'm going to repeat the middle sign here and here. Okay, and because I have two same signs, so I'm going to write, I need two numbers, the sum of them equal 24. So I'm going to choose 11 and 13, and I'm going to write 11 and 13 with any order because I have two same signs. Okay. Okay, number 5. Here I have a bracket, so I have to expand this bracket. So it is x power of 2 minus 4x and distribute negative 3. Negative 3 times x equal negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 equal positive 6. Now I have like terms, negative 4x and the negative 3x. So I'm going to add them. So it will be x power of 2 minus 7x plus 6. Okay. And then I don't have order arrange because it's in order. I don't have common factor, so I'm going to open two brackets directly, x, and the sign here is positive, so I'm going to repeat minus minus because the middle is minus. Okay, 6 equal 1 times 6, 2 times 3. I need two numbers, the sum of them equal 7. The sum equals 7, so I need 1 and 6. With any order, 1 here, 6 here, it's okay. Another one. I have now two brackets, multiply each other and this expression. To expand these two brackets, as I explained in the first expression in the very beginning of this session, okay, I'm going to multiply first by first, x power of 2, second by second, negative 4 times negative 9 equal positive 36, means equal negative 4x, extremes negative 9x, negative 4x, negative 9x, I make them plus, negative 4 plus negative 9 equal negative 13x. Here I'm going to expand this one by distribution. Negative 2 times x equal negative 2x, negative 2 times 5 equal negative 10. Now the common fact, the like terms, negative 13 and the negative 2, so it will be x power of 2, negative 17 minus 2 equal negative 15x, and 36 and the negative 10, 36 minus 10 equal positive 26. Okay, then I don't have a common factor in this expression, and this expression in order, so I'm going to factorize x. 26 equal 1 times 26, 2 times 13. I need two numbers. This is positive sign, so I'm going to repeat the middle sign, minus minus. I need two numbers, their sum equals 15, so I'm going to choose 2 and 13, 2 and 13 like this. Choose the correct answers. X power of 2 plus 7 x plus a can be factorized if a equal what? Okay, now a is the number that I make factorized to it. Okay, 7 equal 1 plus 6 equal 2 plus 5 equal 3 plus 4. Okay, the sum of the two numbers is 7 and their product is a. Okay, so 1 times 6 equals 6. I don't have 6 here, so it's not exist. 2 times 5 equal 10. Okay, I have 10 here. Okay, 3 times 4 equal 12. I don't have 12 here, so the choice is 10. This expression also can be factorized as if c equal 3 equal 1 plus 2. Okay, so 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 2 equal 2, so c equal 2. Here, this is 10, and I need the middle. 10 equal 1 times 9. 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Okay, because this sign is minus, so I'm going to I need the difference. 10 minus 1 equal 9, and 5 minus 2 equal 3. Okay, I don't have 9, but I have 3. So this expression can be factorized if b equal 3. And this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.